The Calm Heart meditation is a suspension of breath meditation that increases lung capacity, induces calm, and creates ease in mind and body. It's a good meditation to do when you feel like you're going to react rather than respond. And if you know that you're in reactivity more often than you'd like, then practice this daily at the same time of day, ideally, to make it become a part of you, to become more responsive, and to be able to access calm on command. It's a good suspension of breath exercise to begin with because the breath pattern, the length of each segment, is on your terms. Meaning, in other suspension of breaths, you might be asked to hold the breath in or out for a specific length of time. Here, you get to determine the length. You'll inhale slowly and deeply through both nostrils, and then suspend the breath for as long as you can hold it. And then you'll exhale gradually and completely, suspending the breath for as long as you can. Now, what you want to consider as you keep your breath suspended is that when you're ready to take the next inhale or exhale, you can maintain control of it rather than feeling like you have to explode out your exhale, for instance, because you kept the breath suspended at the top of the inhale for longer than you should. So it's about finding your own edge. How long can you suspend the breath, knowing you can maintain control of your inhale and your exhale so they are gradual, full, and complete? Another note on the suspension of breath is on the hold, you'll feel a slight constriction at the base of your throat to help maintain the suspension. But make sure that you're not clenching your throat shut. So you want to keep the throat open for the energy to flow freely from body to brain. Now the drishti or eye focus is to close your eyes and just relax your eyes or have them slightly just 1/10 open. The mudra is to place your left hand at the center with the fingertips pointing to the right. The right hand is at the shoulder level, palm facing forward. Hand is in Gyan Mudra, index finger and thumb together. The elbows are relaxed at your side. They don't have to be out like this. Okay, just relaxed. Again, the breath is inhale slowly, deeply and fully. Suspend the breath at the top for as long as you can. And then exhale gradually and completely suspending the breath again for as long as you can at the bottom. And then keep going. Start this at 3 minutes and then increase it up to 11 as you're ready. Or you can go as long as 31 minutes. It's an excellent meditation to do just before bed. Enjoy.